Henry goes to Greek. Henry is a wise and kind engine. He's not kind, he's a bit of an a-hole, in fact. But nonetheless, he's still hard-working and deserves all the respect he can get. Henry was pulling the flying kipper. He had gone the wrong way. There was a shed with magic buffers. Henry had tried to apply his brakes, but it was too late. Ah! Wait a minute. I'm in Greek? Let's go and explore. A few hours later, after finding something interesting to do, Henry was going back home. Son, can you please get out of the mud? Son? Son, hurry the hell up! Yeah, Dad? There's something coming down the track. Look, Dad. It's a train from Tom Tom the Tantar. Excuse me? I said it's a train from Tom Tom the Tutor. I actually have no idea what that is. Your name is Charlie, right? Do I look purple to you, kid? No? Good. Shut up. So yeah, I'm leaving. Bye. Oh, Dad, I also found this carrot. I'll be taking that. Henry just left Greek with the carrot. And returned to the island of Sodor. Okay. What happened here? He said it, not me.